Hello guys. Today we are today I am playing Lokicraft. I repeat, today I am playing Lokicraft. If you don't know the game, here it is. If you don't know the game, this is the game. And this is my world. Okay, whatever. Let's continue. Today we are playing Lokicraft and I am in creative mode right now because if you're in survival mode, you won't be able to craft the things that you will need to make a splash potion of strength. See, I made a splash potion of strength by my own using the brewing stand. So let's get started. How I got to know that how to make a potion of strength was I woke up from my bed. Here, that's my bed. So I woke up from my bed and after that I ate a little and after that I thought I should work on my science lab a little. Oh, my strength's running low. 2, 1. Oh, it ran low. The strength went up. So whatever. I made the splash potion of strength. So I thought I would go in my science lab and I opened the door and I got out to go to my science lab. So then I got down the staircase really carefully because I was really sleepy and I might fall down any second. So right now I'm going to show you my dog here. This is my dog. He's kinda naughty. Look, he doesn't even look at me. Finally it is. It's kinda funny, my dog. Yeah. I shall show him bone. Hey, you want a bone? Hey, big guy, you want a bone? I guess he's in a bad mood today. Otherwise, he's never like this. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Okay, keep sitting. Take a rest. Bye, doggy. Yeah, so let's continue. So here, this is my science lab. Then we go in. First, I'll introduce you to my science lab. So there's a window right here. So anytime I'm in a science lab and I want to know that is it night and time to sleep or is it still morning, I don't need to go outside. I can see from here. There's such a giant window. So if it's night, I don't need to go in my house. There's a bed right here. Oh, it's morning, so it's showing. You can only sleep at night. Okay, so these are stone cutters and these are only for decoration because in Lokicraft, there's no use of stone cutter. After that, we'll go to this part. Then, here, this is my chest. It's filled with nothing. Then, here I have an item hopper at 72. Then I have a furnace. Then I have bone meal. I don't need that thing. Then we have a crafting table. We have a cauldron. Then we have an enchantment table. I want to enchant something. Okay, whatever. And here I have a stone table. So there's a brewing stand on which we'll experiment right now. Then we have a plant, and to study on this plant, I have a bookshelf. I can straight take books. I'll put them here. I'll read them. And ta-da, I'll get to know about the plant. Okay, so let's get started. So right now, I need my brewing stand. I went to my brewing stand and I started. I took some blaze powder. I took all of it. Blaze powder. After that, I put... Okay, so I forgot to tell you what all things you need for this. First of all, if you want to make a potion of strength, then you need blaze powder and you need awkward potion with no effects. So I'll tell you where you get the blaze powder. For the blaze powder, go in your inventory. Then go to the seed section, that is the food section, and scroll down. Ah, there it is. You see the slime ball? It's right beside it, the blaze powder. And for the awkward potion, you need to go in the seed section as well. This one. Then you need to go and it's over here. It's over here. It's this blue line. You see this blue line of potions, and it's the last potion. So after taking this, go to the brewing stand, put all the blaze powder, all the 64 blaze powder, and then go here. Put in the awkward potion, and the brewing stand will start its work. Let's wait for it. Oh, it's almost done. It's powdering. Nan, 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 nan. Done. There you go. See, you got this purple potion. Oh, don't forget to take out the blaze powder. Okay. See this potion? So this potion is the potion of strength. And right now, I'll drink it. Oh, I drank too much. Okay, look over here. My strength. So, guys, this was today's video. And right now, I'm gonna show you that thing. The 3-story thing. Oh, it's raining, but doesn't matter. I won't get wet. So, first of all, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna first of all, I can fly because it's creative mode, and that's how I travel to there. So I basically fly. Then here are the chickens. I don't know how they got out. They laid eggs too. Well, I don't need them. Okay, so this is a husk cage. Sorry. So see, there are husks in it. It's a 3-story cage. So this is the 1st story, 2nd story, 3rd story. So guys, this was today's video, and meet you in the next video. So bye, and make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see my dog once again, there you go. Oh. Here, there's my dog. I'll go in. He won't bite me. Doggy, there's a bone for you. Stand, sit, stand, sit. I need to make it do some exercise. It's sitting here all day long. It's fun clicking this thing. Okay, so you keep sitting right now. Oh, it shaked its body. It is getting wet. So, bye guys, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!